So you are learning about the properties. You are learning about the properties and physical and chemical properties of the elements based on the increasing atomic number. Increasing atomic number. Okay. So the table is arranged according to the increasing atomic number means. So first period contains how many elements in the periodic table? Yesterday I told to go through the periodic table once. From that only I asked the questions today in the MCQ also. Okay. So in the first period, so I already told that the horizontal rows are called as periods and vertical columns are called as groups. So in first period, how many elements are there?
Sir, 2 elements.
What are they?
Sir, hydrogen, helium.
Hydrogen, helium.
In second period?
Sir, 8.
Lithium, beryllium.
What atomic number? 3 to how much?
Sir, 10.
3 to 10.
3 to 10.
3 to 10. Then the third period?
Sir, 11 to 18.
Sir.
1 to 8. There are also 8 elements only. What is the atomic number of the last group element? First we said for helium 2, then 8, then 8 is there. Okay. So last columns are called as noble gases. Last column of the periodic table are called as the noble gases. Why it called so?
Sir, they are
Because
stable.
they are very hard, sir.
Because they are inert.
It does
What
not
is
react with any of the
the-
elements.
that is a single word you can say as a inert. It is they are less reactive. Just a minute. They are less reactive elements, so they are called as the noble gases. So group 17. What are the elements present in the group 17?
Fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. Iodine, acetylene.
Very good, very good. பார்த்தே படிக்கல, பார்த்து படிச்சா மெமரி ஆகும் அதெல்லாம். Fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, astatine and last என்ன பண்ணிருக்கு?
Green is not missing.
Ternistine. So all this belongs to halogen family.
Screen is fully black.
Yes, black out. Just something happened. No, it's okay.
Yes,
No,
sir.
it's okay. Okay. So fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, astatine and ternistine. So they are belongs to halogen family. So what is in the halogen? What is in the halogen? I'll take your note. The note of you. Make a point, please. Point one.
Classwork, sir.
Oh, classwork, yes, classwork. Whatever points you can note in the classwork itself. Second of you.
Yes,
Sir,
sir. Which
good,
one you
sir.
want to know, sir?
Halogens. Meaning what is halogens?
Sir, 18 was.
Topic is halogen, sir.
What?
The topic.
Topic,
What is
no.
it, sir?
What is next Mark periodic table? I copy the groups. No, just see these notes. Put on
Next page, sir.
same page. You can continue. Put a bulletin mark and tell what is the halogen. First of all, you know what is the halogens. So these group 17 elements.
Sir,
Yes, pa. The group 17 elements, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, are called as halogens.
Yesterday you said no, sir. That only no, sir.
That only, sir. Now I'm giving what is the halogens. You know, I'm giving that the name of the group is halogen groups. Group 17 is called halogen
yesterday
group.
you wrote features of period, sir. Now what you can
Okay,
write,
pa.
sir?
Below that you can mention this point. These important points. Now I am giving the points. You can note these points below the group itself. Again, note பண்ணிக்கீங்க. Points note
Please tell
பண்ணிக்கீங்க.
that again, sir.
Okay, anywhere you can in the so classwork is for taking notes. Whatever, not only for writing the question answers. Whatever giving, you can take the write in the classwork. Okay, wow.
Say
So
it
name,
once again, sir.
so the halogen means, put a halogen. Halogen means salt producing. Halogen means salt producing.
Point.
Halogen means HALOGEN, halogen. Halogen means salt, அதாவது இது Greek word இது. The meaning என்ன பார்த்தீங்கன்னா halogen meaning வந்து salt producing. Because this chlorine, bromine, iodine and all, they react with metals like sodium, calcium, silver and potassium. They give a salt. So they given the name as halogens. Given the name as the halogens.
Halogen means salt producing.
Salt producing. Salt producing. Salt producing. That is the answer. Salt producing. Put in brackets. Put in apostrophes. Salt producing. The meaning. So halogen are the elements that react with metals like calcium, sodium, silver, and potassium. All are metals. Metals, no. Readily they react with metals and form a salt. This salt producing. So these elements are producing the salts. So they are called as halogens. They are called as halogens. This is an important point. Don't forget this point. So whenever you are telling what name halogens, names of halogens means you can take tell as fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. This 4 is really important for you. Fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine is really important for you. So whenever you ask the examples for halogens, you can write these points alone. Fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. So halogens belong to which group? Which group?
17th group.
Group 17th group. 17th group. Okay, wow. Halogen belongs to 17th group. Okay. So ஒவ்வொருக்கும் நம்ம வந்து we can top of the metal section with the oxygen group, nitrogen group, carbon group, like that we can give. When coming to first group, what metals present in first group? First group.
Alkali metals.
Hydrogen, lithium,
Alkali metals.
alkali metals. Why they are called as alkalis? Group 1 are called as alkalis because they form hydroxides. Group 1 is called as alkali metal. Lithium, sodium. Example is lithium, sodium, potassium. Rubidium, cesium, francium also integrated. But many for us we can take as a lithium, sodium, and potassium. Very important 3 elements. They form hydroxides with water. When we mix these metals with water, they form the alkalis NaOH, KOH, LiOH, like this. They form the hydroxides. So it is called alkali metals. And group 2, Coming to group 2, beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium, and radium. They belong to alkaline earth metals. Alkaline earth metals. So alkaline earth metals என்ன?
Sir, repeat the words. Sir.
What? Why is it taking you?
Sir, repeat the words. Sir, what is it?
Alkaline earth metals. Alkaline, ALKALINE. The alkaline earth metals. Write this point. The alkaline earth metals are named after their oxides.
Sir, please tell again, sir.
The alkaline earth metals are named
Sir, 1 second, sir.
the alkaline earth metals are named after their oxides.
Sir, are named after?
Named after their
What
oxides.
one write?
Just read again what I'm telling you, right, Father. The alkaline earth metals
One second, sir.
are named after their oxides.
Sir, the algae.
The alkaline earth metals are named after their oxides. Okay. Named after their oxides. So these are the very important points. So yesterday we have seen
So to
about
which
the
group
what?
belongs?
Can I understand what is the question?
Sir, which group alkaline
Second
metals are?
group. According to period, second group la irukku.
Just what one write, sir?
Just wait. Just teach now. Just listen off you. Today we are going to see about the features of periods. Yesterday we have seen about the features of groups. So I say according to the periodic table, the vertical columns are called as groups. Now we are going to see about the horizontal rows. Totally how many periods are there in periodic table? Totally there are 7 periods there. How many periods are there?
7 periods.
So we are going to take from the periods from the left to right. Well, speaking about the group, you want to take from top to bottom. Yeah. Which you have to speak about top to bottom. While speaking about the periods, you have taken into account as from left to right. Okay. So if you take a period from left to right, the elements of a period do not have the same number of valence electrons, but they get the same number of shells. Yeah. See here, they have the same number of valence electrons. They have the same, but they contain the same number of cells. Yeah. So if you take group, the group they have the valence is same, but in the period the valence will be varying. Because the elements of a period do not have the same number of valence electrons, but they contain the same number of cells. These are the very important points. So if we take a period, the number of valence cells in electrons increase by one. If you take account number 1, 2, then 3, 4, 5, like this, the atomic number will increase one by one. It is called as one unit. It is called as one unit. So on moving from left to right in the periodic table, the atomic number increases by 1. Therefore, the atoms of different elements with the same number of cells are placed in the same period. Okay. So therefore, the atoms of different elements with same number of cells are placed in the same period. So if you take in the account the period, the elements present in the period have the same number of cells. So already I told that depending upon the number of cells, we can find the period. If it consists of three cells, means it belongs to third period. It consists of 4 cells, belongs to fourth period. Like that, we can say that. Okay. As number of valence electrons change, the chemical properties of the elements also change. See here, when we move from left to right, the valence electron, the electrons in the outermost orbit is called as valence electrons. So they are changing. They are changing there. So because of this changing, the chemical properties of the elements also change. Different periods have different number of electrons, which can be explained on the basis of the filling of electrons into various cells. So different periods have different number of electrons, which can be explained on the basis of filling of electrons in the various cells. So when you go from period, based on the valence electrons, we can identify the number of the element belongs to which period. So for this, we want to know about the atomic numbers. Okay. Okay. So now we can differentiate between the group and the period. In the group, the valence will be the same. Valence electrons valence will be the same. In the period, valence electrons is changing, but number of orbits will increase. Number of orbits and number of cells will increase. Increase how much? So that am I correct?
Sir, it will be constant in a period.
Yes, it is a constant. Yes, very good. Yeah, so in the period, number of cells remains same. Okay, these are the important features of the periods. So how can we explain the number of periods? Yeah. So explain number of elements in periods is based on how electrons are filled in various cells. So already we learned in class 9, in the Bose-Orton model, the maximum number of electrons that can be accommodated in a cell is given by the formula 2n square. N is equal to number of given cells from the nucleus. Example, K shell. Already you know that you are substituting number of orbits. K shell for 2 into 1 square, because K cell is the first orbit. We get 2 electrons in the first cell. So this first period is very short period, because only 2 elements are there. And next shell, L shell, next period, it contains 8 elements. The second period has 8 elements and is called as the short period. So first period is very short period and second period is short period. Go on. M shell, 2 it is 18, but the outermost cells can have only 8 electrons. So the third period also has the only 8 elements. Thus, it also has short period. Fourth and fifth periods have 18 elements and are called as long periods. The fourth and fifth periods are called as long periods because they are containing 18 elements. So first period is very short period, second period is also short period, and third period also short period. Fourth and fifth are long periods because they contain 18 elements in the period. And sixth and seventh periods are 32 elements and are called as called as long periods. Okay. In the case of extra elements, it is called as lanthanides and arsenide series. Okay. Any doubt in this?
No
Any
doubt.
doubt in this? No doubt. Okay. Have you copied this yesterday?
Yes, sir.
Yes, okay. Just do it.